In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create personal dashboards in Goodday. Personal dashboards are a great way to see everything that matters to you in one place, without getting lost in all the noise of a busy workspace. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic steps to start a personal dashboard so you can customize it later to match your workflow. First, make sure you're logged into your Goodday account and you're on the main interface, where you can see your usual views and activities. Look towards the top area of the screen for a plus sign. This plus sign is your main shortcut for creating new items in Goodday. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. If you don't see it right away, try expanding your window or checking the top navigation bar, as it's usually placed in a prominent, easy to reach spot. Once you click the plus sign, a menu will appear with different options for what you can create. From this menu, look for the option labeled Dashboard. This is what tells Goodday that you want to create a new dashboard rather than a task, project, or any other item. Click on Dashboard to continue. After you select Dashboard, Goodday will prompt you to choose the type of dashboard you want to create. This is where you decide whether the dashboard will be shared with others or kept just for you. For our purpose, we want a private workspace that you can tailor to your own needs. In the options presented, locate and click on Personal. By choosing Personal, you're telling Goodday that this dashboard is meant for your own use. That means it will be centered around your tasks, your projects, and your priorities. This is ideal if you want a focused view of what you personally need to work on without mixing in everyone else's items. After this step, Goodday will create the basic structure of your personal dashboard. From here, you can start adding widgets, charts, lists, or any other elements your plan allows, arranging them so the information you care about is visible at a glance. As you continue using Goodday, you can always come back to this personal dashboard, tweak its layout, and refine what it shows so it keeps evolving with your workflow. And that's it for the initial setup. You've just created the foundation of your personal dashboard in Goodday, ready to be customized into your own command center for daily work.